Well, let's face it, sometimes things go wrong.
Oh, yeah, one gas bottle, and then there was a bang, I reckon one was... How do you feel? Sure.
A bit of a fuel leak and that's all it took. And sometimes the bikes break down.
Yeah, about an hour just trying to get a drink out of my backpack. You wouldn't believe it, the camelback's got a hole in it that's all leaked out. So, no water. Here I am out in the middle of nowhere, and I'm all alone. So I'm going to head back through these creeks and things and hope that no crocs get me. If you find this and you don't find me, well, something the pig's eating me. I'm doing alright. I'll get these.
Good luck, Mike.
I will survive.
On this day we had ridden all day across a surface that looked like the moon. The only tracks were our own, and in the middle of nowhere we came across a log. As always, we have a sweep who follows behind and makes sure no one breaks down, which is a great plan. Good, everyone's safe, everyone's gone past. And then the sweep finds out he's out of fuel. Like I said, sometimes things go wrong.